Hi, everybody. 1 billion. 1 billion is the number of people with disabilities in the world today. And for them, mobility is a key issue. It's a question of education, citizenship, work, culture, tourism. And what I've seen for the past 15 years as an accessibility expert is building owners that spend a lot of money to make their buildings more accessible. But it's not enough to give a real autonomy to people with special needs. It's a bit like if we build roads, so I can drive on it. But it's not enough to reach my destination if I have no signage, no information, no car GPS. And at Okeenea Digital, we do believe that pedestrian GPS will become an obvious tool within the next 5 years, and especially for people with special needs. And that's why we developed Evelity. Evelity is the first indoor GPS for people with disabilities for complex venues. The market is huge. Metro stations, railway stations, universities, malls, hospitals, airports. Our technology is based on 3 pillars. The first is an indoor positioning system. The second is a web back office for the customers. And the third pillar is smartphone apps for end users. And because our end users have specific needs, the user interface will be different, and the routes, the user experience, will be different and adapted to the needs of the user. If I'm in a wheelchair, I will not have the same route than a people that is blind. Our business model is quite simple. It's free for the end users. They already pay taxes. So it's paid by the building owners who want to improve their services. So they have first to pay a setup and then a yearly license, just based on the square meters covered by the solution. We started less than 2 years ago, and we already have some major achievements. We won, for example, a big tender for the Metro of Marseille of 1.5 million euros. We also won a call for innovation for the Transit Tech Lab of New York City to implement our solution in the Metro of New York among 135 world-class startups.